This article published by World Journal of Pharmaceutical and Medical Research. The subject of the article was the clinical importance of a Vamana Karma in a specific diseases in an Ayurveda review. This is one. This article written by Dr. Amit Mukherjee and Dr. Sanju Madhukar Rao Khuje. They are the associated professor of the Department of the Panchakarma in the Bhopal, and the Sanju Mukhar Rao Khuje is nothing is they are the associated professor and the HOD department of the Rog Nidan in the GSE hospital Rewa Yampi. Abstract of the article. Panchakarma is an important aspect of the Ayurveda which help in a combat against various diseases. The different treatment modalities and of a Panchakarma help to sustain a normal health status, and Vamana is one of them. Vaman means induction of emesis along with the internal and the external oilation and the fermentation. Vaman is used to mainly detoxification purpose to eliminate toxins from the upper body parts like an intestine. Then the conceptual text of the Ayurveda recommended Vamana mainly for a kapha disorder. This one, it offers a beneficial effect in a kapha congestion, food poisoning, obesity, asthma, hyperacidity, and some skin diseases also. Vamana is also used in a pitta, headache, nausea, dizziness, chronic cold, sinus problem. Present article dealt with the clinical efficiency of the Vamana. This introduction. The Ayurveda, the traditional science of a medicine elaborated by the various ancient researchers, encompasses enormous information relative to the disease and their management. Ayurveda described various treatment approaches based on the logical reasoning and the clinical practice. Panchakarma is one of them, which helps in the detoxification processes and offer various therapeutic benefits. Panchakarma involves 5 therapeutic procedure. Vamana karma is one of them. Vamana karma means the induction of emesis which help to remove the toxins from the body, especially through the intestine or upper part body parts. Generally, depending upon the intensity of a procedure, Vamana karma classified into 2 categories, that is the Mrudu Vamana, mild, and Tikshna Vamana, strong Vamana. Mrudu Vamana is advised in a pathological condition like Gulmah, Yakshmah, Kapha Vatah, Vatarक्तः, Pittavruttavaतः, Pandu. Then Shvasahika when associated with the Kasaha. Chardi may treated with the Mrudu Vamanah Karmaha, while Tikshma recommended for a disease like a Pandu Unmat, Murcha, and the Prameha Pidika. As other karma, Vamana karma also carried out in the 3 steps Purva, Pradhana, and the Paschat karma. Fermentation and the oil massage are suggested before performing a Vamana karma to liquefy the dosha and the toxin. To liquefy dosha and the toxin, Vamana karma treatment is normally recommended in the early morning. After Vamana karma, patient generally advised to take a rest, fasting, not to involve in a heavy physical activity, consumption of a heavy material or the emetic should be avoided. Ayurveda mention various substances used in the Vamana karma: Devadaru, uh, Devadaru, Kurchi, Licorice, Nux vomica, cardamom, and the clematis. These are various substances which are used in the Vamana karma. Therapeutic role of a Vamana in a various pathological condition. Vamana mainly eliminates the Kapha dosha. Vamana removes the vitiated dosha from the Amashaya and Uraha. Vamana opens the strotas and improves the circulation. Vamana reduces the inflammatory erythema due to the toxial removal capacity. Then Vamana procedure reduces itching uh, and correct a pitta dosha and rakta dushti and a dhatu dushti also. Clinical condition, general clinical condition of a Vamana karma: Bahu dosha, where excessive dosha are accumulated, then Vamana can be the advised. It also recommended in a Pidaka, Kandu, Kotha, and Shleshma Pitta Samutkleshaha. Useful in the aggravation of Kapha. Kapha accumulates with the Pitta. Vamana Karma offers beneficial effects in the Apasmaraha, Viddha Karma, and Vishpitta. Advice in a Kushta Prameha, Adhoga Rakta Pitta. General mode of action of a Vamana, Ushna, Tikshna, Sukshma, and Vikasi Vamana Dravyaha. Ushmaha, then Tikshnaha, Sukshmaha, Vikasi Vamana Dravya circulate through the vessel, circulate through the vessel to the whole body and liquefy the compact dosha and separate adherent dosha. These are the liquefied, these are compact dosha, then it will liquefied into the adherent dosha, then pacifies dosha sthula and a sukshma strotasaha, then it will goes into the strotasaha. This one is an our GI tract, suppose intestine, and this one is a stomach. This sukshma stula and sukshma strotasa goes, dosha goes into the stula and sukshma strotasa. Then it will separated and pacifies dosha brought into the amashaya. Vayu predominant vamaka dravya drugs stimulated a liquefied dosha from the amashaya. Then this dosha with the help of a vayu and with the help of a vamana procedure, it will liquefied, dosha from the amashaya, and urdhva bhagahara prabhava that ultimately leads a migration of a dosha towards the upper body part. Then this is means emesis and a vamana takes place. General properties of a vamana aushadhi, asatmya, that is these are the unsuitable, unsuitable. Then bibitsah, aversive, unpleasant smell, stimulating, tikshna, vikasi. Recommendation after the vamana karma, cleansing the limb and the face, rest for the one muhurta kala, dhumpan, tambul sevan, nivata grahe shayamah, and the samsarjana karma. Then precaution to be taken during a vamana karma: supporting a patient's forehead, support the patient waist, rubbing of a umbilical region, massage in the upward direction. One should remain cool and the calm. One should not involve in excessive physical activities before or after in Vamana Karma. Vamana also employed in some specific condition which are described as Vamana for the diseases originated by the Kapha dosha, Vamana for a skin disease, Vamana for hypothyroidism, and Vamana Karma in a Jirna Pratishaya. Vaman for the diseases originated by the Kapha dosha is the Vamana dravya act on the stomach at the end of the root of the cause of the kapha vyatation. It eliminates the kleda, open strotasa, and pacify ama, and significant relief in a kapha. Vamana karma relieves the symptom of maha vastu and a mahatyashkalataha lakshama. Lakshana vamana karma absorbs through the circulation and reach sukshma strotasah. The virya of a drug exert its action at the site of the aggregation, that is dosha sanghatah. First liquefaction, then the morbid dosha takes place, followed by the breakdown process. Then this process produces a smaller molecule of a toxin of a dosha, which may flow through the anustrotasa and reaches to the amashaya. From these small toxin expelled out by the vamana karma, then vamana dravya having a ushna, ashukari, tikshna gunaha, vyavai, and the vikasi quality, which induces a mild inflammation at the organ level and stimulate the emitting center of the brain. Hmm. Then skin diseases. Woman for the skin diseases. Woman yoga, which may comprises of a vachachurna, Madanafala, Pimpli, Saindava, Madhuha. While Yashtimadu font may be used as a Vamanopaka dravya, literal study confirm Vamana reduces the symptom of a skin disease like Kandu, Pidaka, Shotha, Daha, Vedana. And the study confirmed that Snehan and Svedan and Purva Karma provides a Sanshodhana effect. Ingredient of the therapy possesses a Kushtagna, Amapachana, Kafagna, Krumigna qualities which pacifies the symptom of a disease. Vamana yoga help to eliminate a kapha dosha and reduces a pathological progression of a disease. So Vamana karma expels out toxin present in the rasadi dhatu, purify a dusha of the skin. Vamana cleared a channel which improves the process of body nourishment. It further cleared a bahya roga marga and increases the indriya bala of a tvacha, thus reduces the severity of the skin disease. Jimutaka is indicated for a Vamana karma in a kushta roga. Then Vamana in hyperthyroidism, the literature study suggests that Vamana and Virichan karma offers a beneficial effect in the hypothyroidism, since both therapy help to remove the vitiated kapha and Vata dosha, drugs having a kapha and Vatahara Ushnaha Vatanuloman properties may be applied for the diseases management and the kapha vritta agnimandyajanya vyadhi, which is the kapha vritta agnimandyajanya vyadhi nashaka property of a Vamana karma provides a beneficial result in a hypothyroidism. Drugs like a Bhallataka, Pippali, Punarnava, Amrutah, Gugulaha, which having Agnideepanah and the Kaphavatahara, Medohara qualities can be recommended for the process. Vamana karma in a Jirna Pratishaya, these are the Pratishaya occur when Nidana Sevana causative factor dosha accumulated in a Shira Pradesha. It is related with the Kapha dosha. Ayurveda literature suggests that Vamana karma may offer relief in a Pratishaya since it's a boost functioning of a Murdha and the Indriya. Urdhva Kaya Shodhana through the Vamana followed by a Shiro Virechana and a Nasya helps to remove a dosha from the Shira Pradesha. In this way, this article had we finished. How the clinical importance of a Vamana karma in the specific diseases and review of Ayurveda, we are see that Vamana are helpful in the destroying a kapha diseases, in the skin disorders, in the pratishaya and in hypothyroidism. Thank you so much for listening me this article. We are going to study the Ayurveda as in a scientific way, as in the research article.